No, a lot of people said that when they saw Andrea after she went through Red Mountain weight loss, lost some weight, the Red Mountain way. You wanted to lose, you wanted to get down like what, 19, 20 pounds, something like that?
I wanted to lose 10 to 15, and I did end up losing 19, I think it was. What's really great? I never really wore belts, especially the skinny belts before, because
gut would lap over it.
Well, and it wasn't even the lapping over part as much as it just was. I felt like it kind of emphasized the fact that I've never really had a waist, and I was just bigger in the mid section.
Right.
Mm-hmm.
And the funny thing about the way Red Mountain weight loss works is they do identify what you would need for your own weight loss. And in my case, they put me on their HCG program. And it really does target the stored fat. So it helped reshape my body. And I now have a waist and I like wearing belts. I have a belt on right now. If you're viewing at home, you can see I have.
Oh, it's made of gold, too.
I have a skinny belt.
Gold lame skinny belt.
So they're bariatric physicians who are trained in this area. Just they reshaped my body in a sense without any surgical, needs. I just did it through how they identified I needed to do it.
It happened quickly, too. It happened over the course of 2 to 3 weeks, which normally rapid weight loss is a bad thing, but because there are bariatric physicians who are going to escort through your own program at Red Mountain, that's the difference. Well, it was so astounding what you went through. Even Willie said, hey, I want some of that.
I'm going to do it. Now, I would stand up and show you my belt. Because after my surgery and me laying around fat and lazy, I put on about 15 pounds. But all total, I want to lose about 25 now. I've changed my goal weight to 185. And like Andrea, see, I'm going to show you. Which camera should I show my belt to, Tim?
I don't know.
Well, I'm going to tell you right now. After my surgery and laying around, I was on like hole number 2 of my belt.
Yeah.
Hole number 2. Willie's turning this into a golf analogy suddenly.
2.
Oh, wow. You're on 4 or 5
I'm on hole
now.
number 4. I got 1 hole to go, and I'm going to need a new belt.
Willie's got a belt
I
with
love this.
18 holes in it. It actually becomes a tourniquet.
And the other part is you can see your belt now. Before it was underneath the
well, see, I always wear big T-shirts and those shirts that I just wear cover shirts to kind of hide the gut. And now I can actually, if I want to, I can tuck a shirt in and it looks better. It feels better.
Right.
And no longer do I have to grab my jeans to pull them to button them and to pull on that belt. And so I no longer have that crease that makes me look like I just had a baby cesarean section.
Red Mountain weight loss. Good for belt companies.
That's right.
Bad for Tommy Bahama shirts.
That's right.
RedMountainWeightLoss.com. You can email Andrea or Willie directly at their first name, Willie, W-I-L-L-Y, at timandwillie.com, TIMANDWILLY.